Hello everyone, my name is Mong, and today I'm going to be showing you how to work my program called Workspace Tracker. So before we get started, please make sure that you have downloaded the files properly and that you run an npm install to make sure you download all the packages that are used in the program. And these are the files that you should see on the left side. So before we get started, in order to run the program, you have to source the MySQL files. So let's start off with that. So let's do MySQL u root p. Start it off. Enter your password. And now we have MySQL shell running. So let's first source the schema.sql. Oops, forgot that it is within the DB directory. So you have to add the DB directory on it. There we go. Everything's good. And next, let's add the seeds.sql. Great. Everything works as it should. So let's head over to our other terminal and let's run node index.js to start the program. Now we have a bunch of options. We have view all employees, add employee, update employee role, view all roles, add a role, view all departments, add department, and finally quit. So let's start off with just viewing. So if you hit view all departments, it'll show you the 4 departments that are available. If you hit view all roles, it'll show you all the roles that are available. And if you hit view all employees, now it shows you all the employees. We got James Dunn as the lead front-end developer, and his salary of 155,000. All right, so let's say you want to add a new department. So let's try that out. Department name, we can do something like, let's add a new one called research and development. Sounds nice. Cool. So now if we hit view all departments, we see that as number 5. Awesome. So maybe we want to add a new role for the research development. So let's call it market researcher. I would assume market researchers make a hefty amount of money, so let's make it easy to see. So let's do 5,999, so we can easily spot it. And we just saw that the department we just added was added as department ID 5, so write down 5. And now if we see view all roles, market researcher with that unique salary as ID number 14. Cool. Ran into some technical difficulties, so let's just go back on track. So the last thing we needed to try out was, or the last 2 things were an employee. So let's add Bob Baker, and let's make Bob Baker a Node developer. Cool. And so he would be under backend. So his manager ID is going to be number 2. So if we look at view employees, we see index number 6 or ID number 16, the newest one, Bob Baker in Node development, and back in development, $100,000 salary. Let's say Bob decided that Node wasn't for him and he wants to do Python instead. So let's update his role. Got approved for the promotion. So employee number 16, and we're going to give him, I believe the role ID was 5. So let's view that. And we see Bob Baker, Python developer. Now he makes $30,000 more dollars. Good on him. And that's it. So if we want to exit out of the program, all you do is hit enter and quit. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.